What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzyk, your Southwest Florida Realtor with MVP Realty, coming to you from beautiful Verdana Village here in Estero, Florida. Right now I am standing outside of the Mystique, a beautiful 2 to 4 bedroom, 2 to 3 bath, 1,889 plus square feet model, brought to you by Pulte Homes. I did a home tour a little while back. I'll throw that in the description box below if you want to check out the Mystique, the Stellar, or any of the Pulte models that they have here in Verdana Village. Feel free to click the link below. If you have any questions regarding Verdana Village, you can reach me at 239-823-1685. Give me a call or send me a text. We can talk about all of the builder and mortgage incentives and review HOA fees, amenities, CDD fees, anything and everything regarding Verdana Village.